Get ready, style icons. Burda's November 2025 issue is here, and it's overflowing with pieces that will make every woman over 50 feel powerful, feminine, and unforgettable. These 8 standout dress trends are pure magic for fall and winter wardrobes. 1. Sweater dresses. Sweater dresses in Burda 11, 2025 are nothing short of a love letter to autumn comfort elevated to runway-level chic. These designs celebrate warmth and ease while staying sharply tailored for sophistication. Burda takes the classic knit and refines it with mid-weight yarns that glide over your shape without clinging, ensuring movement and confidence. The silhouettes are clever mid-calf lengths for a leg-lengthening effect, subtle waist darts to create soft definition, and details like funnel necks or deep cuffs that add a touch of drama. Neutral hues such as oat, camel, and deep espresso dominate, but rich jewel tones emerald, plum, sapphire offer vibrant alternatives for evening or special outings. For women over 50, these dresses are a dream. They're forgiving where you want ease, structured where you need polish, and endlessly versatile. Wear them with knee-high boots for a pull-together day look, or add a long pendant necklace and heeled ankle boots for instant dinner date elegance. Burda shows how to layer them smartly with tailored coats or cape jackets, proving that practical warmth and refined style can and should coexist. These sweater dresses are not an afterthought. They're the cornerstone of a modern, effortless cold-weather wardrobe. 2. Halter dresses. Burda's November 2025 halter dresses prove that this neckline isn't just for summer parties or youthful silhouettes. It's now a sophisticated, high-fashion choice that works beautifully for women over 50. Burda reimagines the halter with clean, architectural lines that frame the shoulders gracefully, creating a statuesque effect without revealing too much. Expect rich, structured fabrics like silk crepe, jersey blends, and lightweight wool that drape elegantly and move with your body. Many designs feature subtle gathering at the neck or strategic pleats that draw the eye upward, lengthening the torso and softening the décolletage area. Colors range from classic black and winter white to jewel-inspired tones like garnet, topaz, and midnight blue, offering options for both understated elegance and bold statements. Pairing is effortless. Throw a tailored blazer or cropped jacket over the halter for a polished day look. Or add a shawl and delicate earrings for evening events. What makes these dresses a standout for mature women is their balance between allure and refinement. They highlight your shoulders and posture in the most flattering way, while Burda's cuts ensure the fit feels secure and supportive. Whether you're attending a holiday dinner or a winter wedding, halter dresses from this collection promise grace, poise, and an undeniable modern edge. 3. Leopard-Print Dress. Leopard print roars back in Burda 11, 2025. But this time, it's tailored with sophistication rather than excess. These leopard print dresses are not about loud rebellion, they're about refined confidence. Burda keeps the silhouettes sleek. Think A-line midis, softly draped wraps, or fitted sheaths that highlight your best features without overwhelming your frame. The prints themselves are rendered in muted, winter-friendly tones, deep brown, black, and caramel, sometimes with unexpected hints of plum or olive, making them easier to style with other seasonal pieces. For women over 50, leopard can feel daring, but Burda's approach is subtle and chic. The designs often include minimal details, like a black leather belt, a softly gathered waist, or three-quarter sleeves that add maturity and elegance. Styling is simple yet impactful. Pair a leopard dress with neutral boots and a trench for daytime, or slip into pumps and gold hoops for evening drama. Leopard is a timeless print that, when done right, exudes confidence without shouting for attention. And Burda's thoughtful tailoring ensures these dresses feel modern, not costume-like. This season, the message is clear. Leopard isn't about chasing trends, it's about owning your style with unapologetic grace. 4. Boho Chiffon Dresses. the bohemian spirit gets a grown-up refresh in Burda's November issue with ethereal chiffon dresses that float and flow with every step. These pieces nod to the carefree 1970s, but are designed with the modern, mature woman in mind. Burda uses sheer, layered chiffons in earthy jewel tones, amber, teal, aubergine, balanced by subtle prints like delicate florals or paisleys. The cuts are relaxed yet intentional. Empire waists elongate the body, bishop sleeves add romance without bulk, and tiered skirts create movement while maintaining proportion. The addition of slim belts or sashes defines the waistline, ensuring the dresses don't overwhelm smaller frames. These boho chiffon styles look stunning paired with suede boots and a tailored coat for daytime, or dressed up with heeled sandals and statement jewelry for evening. For women over 50, they offer effortless femininity and a sense of playful nostalgia while staying chic and current. Burda proves that boho doesn't have to mean baggy or unkempt. It can be polished, graceful, and flattering. These dresses invite you to embrace texture, movement, and a little whimsy while remaining true to your sophisticated aesthetic. 5. Satin Maxi Dresses. Satin Maxi Dresses in Burda 11, 2025 are the epitome of understated glamour. These pieces glide like liquid over the skin, catching the light with every movement, and are tailored to flatter without fuss. Burda chooses rich, season-appropriate colors like midnight navy, mulberry, and deep emerald, which add depth and sophistication to the shine of satin. Necklines are varied. Some feature elegant bateau shapes. Others offer gentle V-necks or mock turtlenecks that feel modern and polished. The skirts are fluid, but controlled no excess fabric to drown your figure, creating a long, uninterrupted line that elongates the body. Many designs include subtle details such as side slits for ease of movement, softly gathered waists, or delicate draping across the bodice. For women over 50, these dresses are a dream. For evening wear or holiday gatherings, they're chic, forgiving, and instantly elevate your presence. Pair with minimal jewelry and a structured clutch for a clean, sophisticated look. Or layer under a sharp blazer for a trendy, unexpected twist. Burda's satin maxis are a reminder that glamour can be both comfortable and timeless. 6. Lace Dresses. Lace is timeless, and Burda 11, 2025 gives it fresh life with designs that feel classic yet contemporary. Instead of overly sweet or fussy lace, Burda opts for refined patterns. Think geometric motifs, delicate florals, or tonal overlays that hint at texture rather than shouting it. The cuts are sleek, sheath midis, A-line cocktail dresses, and softly flared skirts with 3/4 sleeves. Many styles align strategically to provide coverage where you need it, while still allowing for a hint of skin at the sleeves or neckline. Colors are sophisticated charcoal, navy, deep plum, and soft champagne, offering options beyond the traditional black lace. For women over 50, these dresses strike the perfect balance. They're feminine without being overly girlish, elegant without feeling dated. Styling can be as simple as a pair of pearl earrings and kitten heels for a classic look, or a leather jacket and ankle boots for a modern twist. Burda's lace dresses are designed to make you feel polished, poised, and confident, whether you're attending a wedding, a holiday event, or an intimate dinner. 7. Draped Dresses. Draping is an art, and Burda 11, 2025 masters it with dresses that sculpt and flatter in the most effortless way. These designs use soft folds and gathers to create movement and interest without adding bulk, perfect for women who want sophistication without stiffness. Burda experiments with asymmetrical drapes across the bodice, diagonal gathers that skim the waist, and gentle pleats that elongate the silhouette. Fabrics like jersey, crepe, and lightweight wool are chosen for their fluidity and structure. The color palette leans into moody elegance. Slate gray, deep wine, forest green, and midnight black. These dresses work beautifully for both day and night. Simply switch from boots and a tailored coat to heels and statement earrings. For mature women, draped dresses are a secret weapon. They soften edges, enhance curves, and create a look that's modern but timeless. Burda's cuts ensure the draping falls exactly where it should, creating an effortless sense of polish. These dresses aren't just clothing, they're wearable art that flatters without trying too hard. 8. Romantic Maxi Dresses. Burda closes its November lineup with romantic maxi dresses that feel like poetry in motion. These designs are flowing, feminine, and designed to make you feel extraordinary. Using soft fabrics like silk blends, georgette, and lightweight viscose, Burda creates maxis that skim the body while moving beautifully with every step. Expect details like flutter sleeves, gentle ruffles, and delicate gathers at the waist or neckline, enough to add softness without overwhelming. The color story is dreamy: dusty rose, twilight blue, sage green, and hints of gold embroidery. Patterns are subtle: small florals, soft abstracts, or tonal textures, keeping the focus on the shape and movement. For women over 50, these dresses are the ultimate expression of confidence and grace. They're perfect for winter weddings, special dinners, or simply when you want to feel radiant and unforgettable. Style them with simple heels and understated jewelry for an elegant evening, or with boots and a cropped jacket for a modern daytime twist. Burda's Romantic Maxis remind us that femininity is powerful and elegance is ageless.